Okay, my name is Amarifin. I'm here for for presentation about foundation structure. To start with, I describe the definition of foundation, then I'll mention types of foundation. After that, I will consider the purpose of the foundation and the last part of foundation. And finally, I summarize my presentation. Please feel free to interrupt me if you have any question. First of all, I explain the meaning of foundation. Well, I've told you about definition of foundation. The foundation is the lower structure of building that function to channel the load from the upper part to the ground below. This is ensures the stability and safety of the building by distributing the load evenly so that the ground can bear the load without experiencing extensive collapse or subsidence. Well, I've told you about definition of foundation. Now we all move on to types of foundation. There are many types of foundation adjusted to the types of soil, building, load, and environment condition. Some explains are shallow foundation and deep foundation. Shallow foundation, this foundation is suitable for strong soil and the building load is not too heavy. Example are stone foundation, reinforced concrete foundation, and chicken claw foundation. Deep foundation, this foundation is used for soft soil or heavy building loads. Example are pile foundation, well foundation, and rough foundation. Number one is shallow foundation. Shallow foundation is a foundation that supports the load directly. This foundation is used when the supporting soil layer at the base of the foundation is located relatively far from the ground surface, or the bearing capacity of the soil at the base of the building is weak. Types of shallow foundation include the following: A. Stone strip foundation, B. Plate foundation or foot plate, C. Continuous plate foundation, D. Well foundation, E. Rough foundation. Number 2 is deep foundation. The foundation is a foundation that transfers the building load to the ground or hard ground located far from the surface. If the depth of the foundation from the ground surface is more than 5 times the width of foundation, then it is called a deep foundation. Types of deep foundation include the following: A. Pile foundation, wooden pile, concrete pile, steel pile, composite pile, and B. Board pile foundation. Next, the purpose of the foundation. The following is summary of the foundation objective: A. Transversing load, B. Structural stability, C. Building safety, and D. Preventing damage. E. Transversing load. Foundation serves to transmit the load from the building structure to the ground below, ensuring even load distribution. B. Structural stability. Foundation provides stability, preventing lateral movement and uniform settlement. C. Building safety. With proper design, foundation help maintain structural safety against live loads and external forces such as wind and earthquake. D. Preventing damage. Good foundation prevent damage from excessive land settlement, thereby extending the life of building. Let me turn now to part of the foundation. So there are 7 parts of the foundation, namely number 1 base and layer, number 2 empty stone pair, number 3 foundation body, number 4 slope, number 5 walls with truss ram adhesive, number 6 sand layer on the floor, and number 7 backfill. The red one is base and layer. This is a layer of solid sand 5 to 10 centimeter thick. This layer is useful as a drainage channel to drain groundwater around the base frame. This section is also designed so that the pores on the surface of the base and the area under the building foundation can be tightly closed. Then the light blue one is empty stone pair. Above the bottom layer of sand there is a pair of empty stone or unstamping. This section is made of river stones with a diameter of about 10 to 15 centimeters, placed vertically and solidly without mortar or just empty stone. In addition to this arrangement, stone filled with sand are soaked in water and compacted or removed to prevent cavities. Next is yellow foundation body. This body is made of rough stone mixed with a certain aesthetic when arranging river stone in the foundation area. A straight line should not be made, nor should a vertical or horizontal line be made. This is done to facilitate assembly. The arrangement of river stone on the edge must be higher than the arrangement of river stone in the middle. The dark blue is slope. The form of the concrete slab foundation is a reinforced concrete block made a mixture of cement, sand, and stone. The ground one walls with racem adhesive. To prevent water seepage from the ground, the walls with racem adhesive are generally made to a certain height, especially in humid rooms such as bedroom and kitchen. The dark brown is sand layer under the floor. Located directly under the floor, this sand layer prevents the floor from breaking due to shrinkage of the soil beneath it. And the last one is light brown, is backfill. Okay, in conclusion, foundations are a very important element in building construction that ensure the stability and safety of the structure. Understanding the different types of foundation and how to make them is a critical first step to ensure that the building can withstand the load and soil conditions that exist. With careful planning, choosing the right types of foundation, and careful implementation, we can assure that the foundation created will provide optimal and durable support for the building structure. This is a source of material from several websites. May I thank you all for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions? Yes,
I have a
please.
question about the material you presented.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Jamal Farisi. My name 3020240172. I
Yeah.
have question for you.
Yes. What is?
Why is the foundation very important in building structure?
Okay. Next question. Okay. Question number one is this function is as a base to support the entire load of the building, including the weight of material, furniture, and copies. Without a strong foundation, the building will actually be damaged, even collapse. Here are some reasons why foundations are very important in building structure. Transferring the load to the ground, maintaining the stability of the building, preventing damage to weather change, and increasing the life of the building. Therefore, it is very important to choose the right types of foundation and building it correctly so that your building can stand firmly and safely. Next question, please.
Mister,
Yes, please.
my name's Bagas Tiarbi and I want to ask about What are the things to consider in building a strong foundation?
Okay, thanks you question. Number one is soil types. Number two, foundation type. Number three, foundation width and thickness. Number four, foundation material. Number five, manufacturing process. And number six, maintenance. By paying attention to the above, you can build a strong